Welcome to Shenzhen PZX Diesel Engine Parts Technology Co., Limited. We are proud to present high-quality fuel pump repair kits, including models 800,636, 800,637, and 800,647, designed specifically for diesel engines. Engineered with precision and built to last, our repair kits ensure optimal performance and reliability for your diesel engine. 800,636 VE Fuel Pump Overhaul Kit Repair Kit for Diesel Fuel Injection Pump High Pressure Pump. Part Name: Pump Repair Kit. Part Number 800,636. Diesel VE Jet Pump Repair Kit Overhaul 800,636 800,637 with Oil Sealing Power Tool Accessories for Bosch Isuzu. Choose Shenzhen PZX Diesel Engine Parts Technology Co., Limited for trusted solutions and exceptional quality in every product. Your satisfaction, our commitment.